China's water-saving irrigation technology has been helpful in improving cotton harvest and the ecological environment in Uzbekistan.
Hozir fermer xo'jaligi dalasida turibmiz. Kelajak oqatin fermer xo'jaligi 2023-yilda 20-aprel kuni ekilgan mana shu paxtamiz Xitoy tajribasi asosida bu paxtamiz podplenka qilib mana qo'shqotar qilinib ekilgan. Hozirgi mana bugungacha bo'lgan holat mana bu paxtamiz.
While Uzbekistan is famous for its cotton production, in the past several decades, the livelihoods of Uzbek cotton farmers have been under severe threat from the ecological crisis of the Aral Sea. Once the world's fourth largest lake, the Aral Sea has shrunk remarkably since 1960, with its surface area dwindling from 67,000 square kilometers in 1960 to just 6,000 in 2020. The exposed lake bed has become a main source of salt and dust storms, with impacts reaching as far as China and Eastern Europe. Saving water is a crucial step toward ecological sustainability.
针对这个咸海流域，它的这个节水的灌溉的问题，那么我们集中了这个技术团队，那么把这个中国的技术，那么在乌兹别克斯坦、哈萨克斯坦这些地方进行实验示范。如果是采取我们新疆目前的先进的节水灌溉技术，那么大幅的降低这个灌溉用水，那么会节约出来一部分水量。我们大概测算了可以节约80到100亿方的水量。那么进入到咸海就能恢复这个前期说的这个大量的湖面。